Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you love luxury handbags, fashions, beauty, and travel blog, then stay tuned and also hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and also subscribe so you can see all my latest video as well. And today guys, every time of every Christmas that Louis Vuitton always have a beautiful Christmas packaging. And when I went there guys, and they have the like an event, but only specific for the people who have what you call one schedule on it. And I've been there before that. If you've seen my unboxing, I did upload that. The A there, she never mentioned that they have coming event, even though I mentioned to her like, please, if you have this Christmas shopping, let me know because I will get something. So at least every year I will have this specific shopping bag also. But she never did, but I went there and they have that event, and I asked the ASA if I can have at least a shopping bag. And she talked to the manager and she said yeah, but when we queuing, I already paid and everything, but when we go into the packaging, because they give you everything, like the way it wrapped, it's beautiful guys. I cannot actually, I'm so excited. But until this, she said, oh, you know what, I will put this one in bags and then I will wrap it for you with it. And I said to myself, oh my God, now she changed her mind. Even the manager says that it's okay, just only one, even though I bought two items in here. And anyway, that's what it is. And actually, I'm quite disappointed because I told her and the manager say yes, but she changed her mind. So let's start with this. Let's start with this one, guys, because this is only a small one. This is in the collections of Vuitton collections. I saw this one online, but the out of stock, and I just want to give a try if they have this one in store. I asked her that if they have this. I get the receipt over here. Anyway, so I asked her about this, and she said, let me check if we do have this one. And she found one, because the last time I was there, I asked this, they said there's no stock. And it's nice guys, really beautiful. I was surprised how beautiful it is. So the item that I purchased is this one over here, as this book from Vuitton collections. Look how beautiful it is guys. Oh my God, when I saw in person, I said wow. It reminds me the old packaging of Chanel, the old packaging of Louis Vuitton. The last time I have 2012, I think that's mistaken, and it is right here, it's gold. I have two collections of Vuitton collection now, and the front is the monogram, and right here guys, I'll show you Louis Vuitton. And then actually I get this one because I am gonna write it down, all the like my emails, friends, and everything's like the apps that I upload with, the password and everything. I do have one from Louis Vuitton as well. It's quite small, and the good thing about that, because it has the letters already that I can know, A, B, C, D. But this one they don't have, but it's okay, I will create like that. But for the good thing that only sold me out is this print everywhere, that it's so beautiful. Even though I'm disappointed with the sales associate, but I am loving this item so much. Anyhow, let's move on to the other one. So this one is, I was debating actually this one if I get it or not, and I was deciding, let me give it a try, because the color I want is not in store. I wish I just get actually online. But I was thinking that maybe I'm gonna return it and exchange to the different one I order online. The beautiful packaging, because I have so many colors of this, and I want it different. I want something different. And look at the beautiful of this packaging. So much. This year's packaging Louis Vuitton is amazing. This is wow. I wish I have that shopping bag. And look at this one over here, guys. It's so nice. And yeah, so the item is right here. As you can see, is a small leather goods. And this one, I saw this one in Instagram everywhere. The beautiful, it's so cute. And yeah, I finally had to try to see this one in person. I was surprised actually. Okay, stop talking. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3, go. This one, the Kirigami card holder. I know I have a Kirigami set, but I never use that. I said to myself, oh my God, why I'm getting this one, that I have this. I never ever used it. The one thing that actually sold me out. Oh, the good thing about this, guys, is a silver. I don't know that. I thought there was like a rose gold or like a light gold, but it's not. It is silver. When I'm looking at this one, oh wow. Because when open it, it's a silver. Wow. And the one in store is this pink one. So I wanted the green one. They don't have the green one in store. They only have, sorry, they only have red and a pink. And you know my Kirigami set, the smallest pouch, it's red. So I said, like, nah, I don't want to get the red one. So that's why this one, it's shocked me, because how cute is this? It's so cute. I don't know how you can fill it up in here. And this is made in Italy. And this is how it looks like. It's pretty much similar to the smallest Kirigami. And the only also difference is this one. I will probably like do a comparison video for this one, the sizes and all of that. Yeah, and I'm hoping it was green, and it's because I want to get the packaging and everything like that, the shopping Christmas bag, and it's still ending up nothing unless I do have the box and the ribbon. But hey, life is too short, so it's okay. Like I said, I'm gonna be actually it's quite smooth rather than the other one. I'm gonna be a comparison that. So this is the color pink over here. I think they call it magenta pink if I'm not mistaken. So that's what it looks like, where it's so cute. Yeah, and this is silver, to be honest with you. And yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna exchange to a different color or keep it, because maybe the green also like a gold hardware, but this one is a silver. Yeah, it's just so cute and beautiful. And I love the small one. You can put your card in here just to, I don't know, where's my card? I don't have my card holder any. But anyhow, so that's what it is. This is the two items that I purchased, and the most that I love actually the purchase is this one over here. So guys, I can't go wrong. I cannot wait to write down all my documents and my passwords, my emails, friends, and all of that. So yeah, that's all my unboxing today, and hopefully you like this kind of content. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and share, and also give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.